all positive versus last year. Revenue up 15.3%. Our profit attributable to shareholders, basic earnings, all massively up. I'll get to the detail of why that's the case. And then our ordinary dividend is also up another 8.7%. In terms of our volume overview, so that's where our revenue gets generated. Marco mentioned already, so the Namibian market grew by about 3.9% over F19. Our SA volumes increased, so our volumes we sell into South Africa increased by 45.5%. On the other hand, export volumes did decrease by 31%, so other countries. Okay, but in total, the volume sold out of breweries increased by 13.8%. So, and as you can see, beer remained our dominant share in this volume at 92%. Our financial overview. So, operating profit increased by 6.3%. Line there. That was mainly supported by strong sales into South Africa. And some other supporting factors were our revenue growth in Namibia, as well as an increase in royalty income from Heineken South Africa. The performance of Heineken South Africa for F19 was especially encouraging. So in total, the profit from associate increased by 484 million, so versus last year. And the profit of this year is made up essentially, and this is important, of two parts. It's an operating profit of 116 million and the recognition of a deferred tax asset of $335 million. Now, the recognition of the deferred tax asset by Heineken South Africa and by Namibia Breweries, its 25% share thereof, reflects our view that Heineken South Africa is now in a position to generate enough profitable income in the future to which it can set off this loss. Okay. On the balance sheet side, so Namibia Breweries' financial position is very healthy. So all key liquidity ratios and covenants have been comfortably met. And you can see the increase in the investment in associates. That's related to the F19 financial performance of Heineken South Africa. On the cash flow side, I mean, our cash flow remains healthy. You will see there is an outflow for the year. This is related to the payment of a $400 million special dividend last year. Okay? And then we'll get to dividends. Again, we've declared a final dividend of 50 cents a share. That brings our dividends for the year to 100 cents, $1 per share. And then the board has approved and declared another special dividend of 121 cents a share, a total of $250 million. And for those of you that are interested, you can trade the NBL share until 27 September and your cum dividend, okay? And the dividend will be paid on the 8th of November.